Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make velocity zoom effect on CapCut. So this time I'm going to show you how you can do it on CapCut mobile. So if you want to add a dynamic and eye-catching velocity zoom effect to your videos, this video will show you how you can create the trending effect in CapCut step by step. It is perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube content. So before we start, I'm going to tell you the velocity zoom effect can transform your videos into a dynamic masterpiece. This tutorial simplifies the process, making it accessible for creators of all skills levels. So let's just start by launching the CapCut application. And now you can just open your project or start a new project in here and select your videos. So I've already select this one. I'm going to add velocity effect to this videos right here. So before you add the velocity zoom effect, you need to add the music to the video. If there's a music on the video itself, you can use the extract audio option. Where is it? Okay, this one. But if there's no audio on it, you can just tap on add audio and tap on sound, then choose the audio that you want. So for example, I'm going to use this ones right here. Click on the plus icon. Okay, I'm going to split it in here, and now you can go to effects at the bottom, and you can go to style. So you can click on the video first and go to style effects and choose style. Here choose the velocity tab, and you'll see there are a few categories, but if you want to do the zoom velocity, then you need to use this retro zoom velocity effect to apply to your video. So just tap on it, click on allow, and it will detect the music first before applying the velocity effect. And after the music is detected, now it will apply the effect to your clips. You can just wait until the velocity effect is fully applied to your clip. Okay, so now the velocity has been applied. Here is the result for the velocity zoom effects on CapCut. You can tap on the check icon at the bottom, and you are done. You can just export the result now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators. If you got a questions, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on thanks for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Bye.